It's October 1st, 2023. The season has changed, as you can tell from the color of the garden. Let's start the updates with the raspberry. You can see the leaves are changing colors now. The asparagus is slowly dying back now. Here you can see one of the canes has died back. Mulberry has turned completely golden yellow. Rhubarb is also dying back. I moved the pineapple indoor. Over here is the blueberry. You can see the leaves are changing into this beautiful red color. And the grape leaves are also turning yellow. The lavender is pretty much done flowering. Here's the remaining flower from the season. Some new growth from the bush. And the peony leaves are also turning red. Over here is the broccolini. It's still flowering, as you can see. It pretty much grows year-round. And yeah, the plant has gotten a lot bigger. And good news, the saffron is sprouting. You can see here are the first few sprouts that are poking out from the soil. We'll see more soon. And the hydrangea looks pretty much the same. This one over here is still growing. All the flowers are slowly fading now. You can see the colors are not as vibrant. This one is still kind of vibrant, I guess. And here's the pineapple that I moved indoor just today. It's gotten pretty big. And the mini oncidium flower spikes are still developing. If you look at the end of this flower spike, you can see a flower bud forming. And then here are all the other orchids. This is the other mini oncidium. Flower spikes are all still developing. And here's the odontocidium. You can see the flower buds very clearly on the flower spike. The flowers are still developing. They're probably going to open pretty soon. And here's the lady slipper orchid. The flower has not faded yet. And also, the same plant is sending out another flower, which is awesome. Very excited for all the orchid flowers this year. Lots of pitchers are forming from the pitcher plants. Here you can see some of the older ones, but over there on top of the plant there's going to be some more new pitchers forming.